My daily routine. Learn English with Zahra 110. Sarah, a mother of two kids and a career woman, will tell you about her routine. Let's learn with her. My name is Sarah and I'm a mother of two beautiful kids, Emily 7 and Jack 4. My husband John and I do best to balance work, family, and life's chaos. My day starts at 5:30 a.m. I wake up before the sun rises, eager to get a head start. I stretch, yawn, and begin my morning routine. First things first, coffee. I brew a fresh cup and savor the aroma that fills our cozy kitchen. While enjoying my coffee, I plan my day. I check my schedule, respond to any urgent work emails, and make a mental note of tasks to tackle. Multitasking is my superpower after all. By 6:30 a.m., I'm in full mom mode. I wake up the kids, help them get dressed, and make breakfast. Pancakes, scrambled eggs, or whole grain toast, whatever they fancy. John helps with getting them ready for school while I'll pack their lunches and snacks. Once the kids are off to school, I rush to get ready for work. As a marketing manager, my days are filled with meetings, deadlines, and emails. I grab my bag, give John a quick kiss, and head out the door. My workday is a blur of productivity. I squeeze in a lunch break, usually my desk, scrolling through social media or catching up on news. Sometimes I meet friends or colleagues for a much needed break. When the clock strikes 5 p.m., I'm out the door, eager to start my mom shift. I pick up Emily from ballet practice and Jack from daycare. We chat about their day, and I listen attentively, storing away every detail. At home, dinner prep begins. Tonight is spaghetti with meatballs, family favorite. While cooking, I help Emily with homework, ensuring she understands fractions, and keep Jack entertained with puzzles. John walks in exhausted from his own day. We exchange stories, sharing laughs and frustrations. Dinner's ready, and we sit together, grateful for this time. Bedtime rituals begin at 7:30 p.m. Baths, books, and bedtime stories. My favorite part of the day. I cherish these quiet moments with my little ones. As the house grows quiet, John and I unwind. We watch TV, discuss our day, or simply enjoy each other's company. Sometimes I sneak in some work or plan tomorrow's meal. My day ends around 10 p.m. I reflect on all I've accomplished, feeling proud of balancing work and family. Exhaustion creeps in with a sense of fulfillment, keeps me going. Tomorrow will bring new challenges, but I'm ready. Being a mother is the most rewarding job I've ever had.